What's going on, guys? Josh here with How to Make a Bad Investment, Magic the Gathering edition. So we have the gift pack, which was purchased at Walmart for $9.98. Take some of these out. It comes with 2 cards that are pretty much not worth anything, and any purchase would really be better. I'm just kidding. I have no idea what they're worth. Probably 50 cents or less. This was $9.98. Comes with a spin down die, 3 packs, and some lands and worthless foil rares. So what we're gonna do is open this and see if we actually get anything at all. I don't know why I actually purchased this. I'm starting to make bad decisions. That's why my channel is going to be Josh with why did I buy this investment? Why did I buy this? Hashtag unknown. Okay, get this thing out and the first layer off. You will get. Oh, look at that. Cool. We got the cards. Make sure we get that off. Wow, they're in there pretty hard. Whatever. They're just gonna be left in for now. So, main thing I want to check out is foil lands are nice though. Those do look pretty cool. Check out what is going on with these packs. Nice spin down die. So we have Amonket, Hour of Devastation, and Ixalan. I have never opened, I should say, any of these. So I have no idea what is worth in here. Probably nothing. Recent Magic sets are pretty much worthless, around this era at least. It's basically you get a Mythic or bust. Having said that, no idea what these are worth. So we're gonna open them. You guys tell me, did I get anything good? I will say I pretty much skipped this era of Magic. So I bought a lot of recent packs, War the Spark, Modern Horizons, Throne, but I took a break after Dark Ascension. So there was a pretty big gap. But anyway, let's get the order right at least. So, in order, here we go. So, first off, Amonket. Alright. Haven't had much luck opening these types of boosters, but did pull a few mythics on previous videos if you guys want to check out. So, what do we have here? It's cool artwork though. We'll say that. Okay. Go through some of these just to see what we have. Strike. Faith. Gravedigger. Drakehaven, gonna say it's worth absolutely nothing. And a magma spray. So there we go. What we got? So a Drakehaven. I don't like card specific. We got a foil, but oh well. Let's see what we get here. Hour of Devastation. Okay. Take a look. Open fire. Yeah, it's cool artwork though. Ooh, Survivor's Equipment. It's an actual useful card. Okay. We got Imaginary Threats. Resolute Survivors. Tenacious Hunter. What is this? A Jackal Warrior. Huh. Interesting. Probably worth nothing, but who knows? I could be getting valuable cards and not even know it. So, last one we're going to do is Ixalan. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope that you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out some of my other videos. And what do you think? Is it worth to buy any of these gift packs? I honestly don't think so, unless I get some crazy pull. But tell me your stories. Have you got anything good? Feel free to like and subscribe. Do more videos like this. So we got Big Dinosaur Guy. Woo! Lurking Chupacabra. That's kind of cool. Bright Reprisal. Fleet Swallower. My God. A 7-cost 6/6. How could it get any better than this? Wow. Wow. That effect is ridiculous, I'm not gonna lie, but wow. So, anyway, guys, let me know. Any good cards out of this, or did I get hosed? Look at that fishy. Look at him. Just look at him. Awesome. So, anyway, so 3 rares, nothing crazy, plus a dinosaur token, 1 foil. Alright, we end it, plus the other 2 rares that I had. Not super overly impressed, but who knows. Still fun to open. For 1080 after tax, I'll take it. So anyway, hope you guys have a good day and take it easy. Feel free to like and subscribe. Let me know. Later.